adverb. Let's understand it by this reference. What is adjective? Adjective was the word that describes noun. In the same way, adverb is the word that describes a verb. Okay? We can take this reference to understand adverb. Now, let's move on to the example. Here, the example is run fast. What is run? Run is an action, so we can call it verb. And what is describing a verb? Fast is describing how the person is running. The person is running fast. So fast is adverb. Okay? In the same way, look here. Stay here. Stay. What is stay? Stay is an action. So it is a verb. And which word is describing how you have to stay, where you have to stay? It is describing verb. So it will be referred to as adverb. Here too. Study now. Study is an action, so it is verb. And when to study. And this word is telling when you have to study now. So now will be referred to as adverb. Okay. Now let's move on to the types of adverb. In class 3rd, we mainly have to study only 3 types of adverb. The first one is adverb of manner. Second one is adverb of time, and the third one is adverb of place. Okay. Adverb of manner tells us how the action is going on, how action taking place. Okay. Like for example, here we have see run fast. How you have to run fast. So fast is telling that how the action is taking place. In the same way, work hard. How you have to work? You have to work hard. So hard is telling how the action is taking place. So all the words which tells us about how the action is taking place, that will be called as adverb of manner. Now the second one is adverb of time. It tells us about time, like when. Like look here, stay here, here. Study now. Here the word is telling about when you have to do that action. You have to do now. In the same way. So the next was adverb of time. It tells us about when the action is taking place. For example, she comes late. When she is coming late. So this word is telling about when the action is taking place. So this word will be called adverb of time. Here also study now. So when we have to study now. So now is adverb of time. The last one is adverb of place. This word tells about where the action is taking place. For example, here, stay here. So where you have to stay? You have to stay here. So here is adverb of place. Like come near. Where you have to come? You have to come near. So near is adverb of place.